Hello students, this is Maestro Elvis again, and today we're going to do the pre-kindergarten Dolch sight words part 2 of 4 lesson. Hopefully you did very well on the quiz for the pre-kindergarten Dolch sight words part 1 of 4 lesson, and if you didn't, then hopefully you watched the lesson again and taken the quiz again for a score of above 7 out of 10. Okay, so now we start with this lesson. Suggestions for learning. You are encouraged to define each word using an English dictionary, such as dictionary.com. If you're an English learner, please translate each word and sentence in your language, in your primary language, versus translate.google.com. And very important, please review each video a minimum of 2 to 3 times and try to read each word and sentence along with the audio. Okay? Because we want to improve our English comprehension, our English reading skills, and our English pronunciation as well. So here are the words of the pre-kindergarten Dolch sight words. And we've already done the first part, a and away, big, blue, can, come, down, find, and for. The second part is these words, funny, go, help, here, I, in, is, it, jump, little. And then we have 2 more parts that follow. Look, make, me, my, not, one, play, read, run, said, see, the, 3, 2, 2, up, we, where, yellow, and you. And the words for this lesson, the 10 words for this lesson are funny, go, help, here, I, in, is, it, jump, little. Here are some sample translations via Google Translate, and obviously these are for the English words funny, go, help, here, I, in, is, it, jump, and little. And these translations are in the 5 Romance languages, Spanish, Portuguese, Italian, Romanian, and French. Again, if you speak other languages, you can use Google Translate to translate these words in your primary language. And now let's begin. Funny. Repeat after me. Funny. He is a funny comedian. The boy has a funny name. She has a funny accent. Again, make sure you define this word via dictionary.com. And if you're an English learner, you are strongly encouraged to use translate.google.com to translate both the word and the sentences here. Go. I go to the store. When will you go home? She wants to go shopping. Again, go. The next word is help. Repeat after me. Help. Can you help me? I will help you. Maria needs help. Again, the word is help. Let's go to the next word. Here. Repeat after me. Here. The train is here. I live here. We want to stay here. Okay, the word is here. Let's go to the next one. I am a student. I like to learn English. I sing songs. I. In. Repeat after me. In. The money is in my wallet. The fish is in the water. The phone is in his pocket. In. Next word is. Repeat after me. Is. This is easy to learn. Is he already here? Maria is a woman. Is. The next word is it. Repeat after me. It. It is very late. Give it to me. He likes it. Again, the word is it. The next word is jump. Repeat after me. Jump. Jose likes to jump. Be careful when you jump. Don't jump on the sofa. And the word is jump. The next word and the final word for this lesson is little. Repeat after me. Little. She is a little girl. That little ant is red. I have a little dog. The word is little. Don't forget to repeat this video 2 or 3 times. And if you're an English learner, translate the word and the sentences as well. But definitely you need to use the English dictionary, like dictionary.com, to define each word and understand it better. So review this 2 to 3 times, and then we will be able to do the pre-kindergarten Dolch sight words part 2 of 4 quiz and check to see how well you understand these words. Do your best.